Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today we're on board a brand new 2027 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. You'll see in the photos the boat has black hull sides, which matches really nice with this dune interior. We set it up with the upgraded 400 horsepower V10 Mercury done in white. Engine's running, can't even hear it, it's so quiet. Nice dune sea-deck matting to match. That goes across the swim platform, right through your transom entry and all the way up to the bow of the boat. Nice wraparound seating on the port side. This boat is outfitted with the white sports arch to match the white motor. Integrated black bimini top. Behind the helm seat, you have another seating option here with designated storage underneath. Both the helm seat backrest and the companion seat backrest do adjust forward to give you aft-facing loungers. At the helm, you've got dual 9-inch Simrad digital dash. It gives you an option to do your mercury gauges as well as your chart plotter, fish finder, depth finder. Flip-up bolsters both at the helm and companion seat. Underneath the console is your vacuum flush head, freshwater sink, and this boat is outfitted with the cushion package. Stereo controls are here in front of the companion seat. Really nice storage compartment designated for your tables and table legs. As we make our way up to the bow, you've got a bow block-off door with closable windshield. 2 full-length loungers up in the bow of the boat. The boat does have a designated anchor locker with windlass. It's a through-hole windlass and a bow boarding ladder. You also have a freshwater sprayer here at the bow of the boat and at the transom. That's a real quick look at our 2027 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. For more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.